Hello, welcome to today's video where I am going to give you my top 3 KDP Halloween coloring book niche for Q4, and that is September, October and November, and it's dominated by one main event which I will tell you about in a moment. So if you are already publishing books on Amazon via the KDP platform, or you are new to this and looking to build an online business, then following as I will tell you what these niche are profitable. Now, if you have not been to this channel before, then welcome. My name is Rumarai and I will do videos on how to make it, keep it and grow it. So we go to Amazon marketplace and we can search. Our first niche is candy Halloween coloring book for kids. And here is 4,000 results candy Halloween coloring book for kids. But there is a old and you have to try to upload this a new look, new quality book cover, new quality uh, interior pages and upload on Amazon. A Halloween coloring book for kids 64 review, and Halloween sweet and candy coloring book for kids. You also search Halloween sweet and candy coloring book for kids. Wow! Here we got 504 results only. Halloween sweet and candy coloring book for kids. Obviously, there is a this is a micro niche and good profitable niche. So you can and work a Halloween sweet and candy coloring book for kids. And this is a second niche, Halloween sweet and candy coloring book for kids. And our third niche is vampire Halloween coloring book for kids. Here that there is a result 6,000 vampire Halloween coloring book for kids. Obviously, there is a lot of book vampire Halloween coloring book for kids, and from this vampire Halloween coloring book for kids, you have to find out a micro niche that is 1,000 such results. So if you have so personally I think there is a good niche candy Halloween coloring book for kids, Halloween sweet and candy coloring book for kids, and vampire Halloween coloring book for kids. And I write these three niche in the comment box. If you have liked my videos, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell icon and like, comment and share my videos with your friends and family whoever is interested in passive income. So thank you so much. Thank you all.